Welcome to week 3 of my Tekka Bite series, where we're making hearty nibbles and a little something saucy to dip it in. Let's get into these sweet and crispy churro-style Jamaican festival bites. Festival is a flour and cornmeal-based fried dough that goes amazingly with fried fish and grilled meats like jerk chicken. Usually it's a side, but who said we can't make it a dessert? Start by grating cold butter. This is going to make our festival cloud soft on the inside. Then we grab 2 packages of Grace brand festival mix and add a teaspoon of cinnamon, then stir it in. Add the grated butter and combine it with the festival mix until it looks like dough crumbles. Add the water and vanilla extract, then knead lightly until your dough forms. Cover with a moist paper towel and let sit for 20 minutes. Mix the sugar and leftover cinnamon together. Using floured hands to prevent sticking, pinch off small pieces of dough and form into cylinders. Fry in 350-degree oil until golden brown, then remove to a paper towel. Toss it in the cinnamon sugar until completely coated, and it's ready. Serve it with the Bajan rum chocolate ganache recipe I'm also going to teach y'all to make, or enjoy it as is.